Adu kat no ngin syaset patok paune virus. Haba kalat berlanj nu kadon. Ini ban syembet ya ka. Ayah ketika COVID kerkendai. Kena ikun baki kena persyak ya kena kekhlam.
Nong Ktien ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Senate sangma ulabu ikachingkeli halor ka Tohkit kabalathung da ka sarkar challa halor ka kanrum kanram kabadon ha ka Meecl ha ka ba watla nyopos ngi ladon balathung yakane ka Judicial Inquiry Committee henrei hadu kini kisngi kane ka committee kampat sedang ikaching Tohkit jongka Senate habakren sekilat pathai khubor uloong banakaliang menteri rangba ula supen bena ba ulade banthung ye kaching Tohkit hakaba yadei bat kikunrum kanram Hapoh ka Meecl kaban khlidu daunong bishar bala song thain kabala kular ba on sapendep ye kaching Tohkit Hapoh ka lai benai uloong ru banakaliang ka Congress menta ka sngi kalapan pau ban seimadan ye shibun tili ki kam Bamsap Hapoh ka Meecl bat ban yang scam ban Dawa bet badai ban ai ke jing Tohkit ha ka CBI Senate ulo ongru bakum kaliang persha ki badon ye ka jingkit khli kila jusai madan ye shibon ki kam be ain bat ka jing pempentrei hok ha ki babon ki tenan ulo ongru habai dei ba ka tenat boarding ki bun ki jing pempentrei hok la ka dei ha ka sobhagya scheme ka ganol hydro power project smart meter kajing ai tarif kerpang ki bernihar industrial ka one time settlement scheme bat kiwe bodla benrap ru daga boong habaya dei bat ki kam Bamsap omtang na kaliang ka Congress henrei ki seng riulum bat ki seng bhalang ba pher kila jura ya kane kamat ban pha thung daga jing Tohkit halor kane ka jing kno Bamsap
This Judicial Inquiry Commission has been constituted headed by so and so and within 3 months this inquiry will be completed Forget about completion of the inquiry. Have they started the inquiry? And again, there's without any reasonable doubt, we are meant to think that why the previous that Judicial Inquiry Commission headed by Justice Khan should refuse. Whether the government didn't do any due diligence before appointing him to head the inquiry commission, or the government is pressurizing the inquiry commission to do something which they are not willing to do. Question arises. Let the Chief Minister explain to this. Why otherwise, whether the government didn't do proper due diligence before appointing. And there may be lots of other factors, reasons as to why this inquiry commission is not being able to take off with its duty to inquire. Itself was to hand over it to CBI. There is a premium institution to investigate corruption in our country, and we cannot undermine the services of CBI. So our stand was from the day one itself to hand over to CBI to get justice. The modus operandi that they have scripted is nothing but to loot the public money up to the maximum. We have brought all these issues to the notice of the government, and apart from us, even different stakeholders, the NGOs, members from the civil societies, and even friends from different political parties raised these issues and demanded that there should be a proper inquiry into the alleged scams. But the government is not serious. rather than doing something good to the people. Their intention is something else. The Chief Minister announced on the 28th of June 2021 about the constitution of a judicial inquiry commission comprising of 3 members headed by Justice Ifakhat Ali Khan, the retired honorable judge from the Allahabad High Court. From the very beginning, I have been maintaining to say that it was just an eyewash, because I was doubting about their commitment level. They are not serious. Till today, it has been 70 days since the time it was constituted, and the Chief Minister informed that within 3 months' time, this inquiry will be completed. It was done just to pacify the people who are demanding, including the regional party leaders, and of course to play together. And there are lots of things. There are lots of reasons to be doubtful what is inside. Because at the first instance, the judiciary commission which was constituted, it denied. Whether the question arises that whether proper due diligence was not done.
Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.